You might ask, should I spend 50 hours trying to make my model 0.1% more accurate? Absolutely, because a more accurate model is always better. Next tip, if your Gen AI's performance is stuck, spend a lot of time tweaking the prompt. I spent 40 hours tweaking the prompt on my last project. You didn't even label a small amount of data? Nah, all vibes. Next, make sure your pipelines work on your local laptop. What about the dev environment? Is this why we are having so many bugs in production? Some people will tell you to use a RAG approach. I prefer to use fine-tuning as a way to put knowledge into the model. Makes the model and me smarter. But it took you months to do that with a huge compute bill. I am financially prudent. I spent half of last week trying to get a model to run on my laptop instead of spending $10 in cloud credits. Oh no, we have instances for that. Use open source models, they're basically free. But you spent 40 hours getting them ready. Plus we had to talk to legal. I prefer to spend days manually doing hyperparameter tuning than using a few hours of AutoML. And that's because it builds intuition for me, and that's priceless. So this is why you know the eta, gamma, and lambda parameters for XGBoost. Exactly. And that's why you should also implement the techniques from the latest paper instead of using some stable baseline approach. You want to stay cutting edge so you can get infinite ROI. Oh, infinite ROI. Some final tips for all of you out there. If your GPU inference server isn't actively predicting, not costing anything. If an outlier doesn't fit your hypothesis, throw it out, just remove it, it's an error. Finally, if an LLM responds confidently, it's probably accurate. Thanks everyone. Come back next time for more AI engineering tips.